Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Jitesh Ponkar, and in today's video we will discuss how we can use Ollama to create local LLM. So in the last video we covered how to build an incident resolution AI agent using OpenAI. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend watching it first because this video builds directly on top of it. In this episode, we are taking things one step further. Instead of using OpenAPI, we will create a fully local LLM using Ollama and use it to resolve Kubernetes incident. One common challenges with external LLM API is cost, rate limits, and dependency on internet connectivity. For real DevOps system, reliability and controls are extremely important. That's where local LLM become very powerful. So what are we building? So we are building autonomous incident resolution agent that will use local LLM for reasoning. It will execute Kubernetes actions and verify and give the feedback. We are using the same agenting AI loop. So it is overall architecture even exactly the same. We still have the agenting AI loop, observe, reason, decide, act, and learn. The only thing we are replacing is the reasoning brain. Previously, the agent used OpenAI. Now the agent uses a local LLM via Ollama. This demonstrates how agentic systems are modular by design. So if you check the architecture, it is the same. So we are using Kubernetes cluster, that Minikube we have set up. We are using Python to create AI agent. We are using Ollama as a LLM brain. We are using kubectl and notification layer. So incident simulation also same. So we have deployed crashing pod. So pod entered the crashback loop. Agent detects unhealthy state, and by reading logs, it will take the decision. So for while doing Ollama integration, so we have run Ollama locally, LLM access via HTTPS API, no external dependency, fully offline. Decision flow is same. So we are using logs and pod status, and we are sending to the LLM. LLM analyze that logs and take a decision and perform action. So these are the steps we have specified. So we are restart, scale deployment. If pod is running, so don't do anything. And if it's not able to identify the root cause, then escalate to the human. So before doing demo, I highly recommend you must watch my previous video. If you haven't watched it, if and also it is recommended to clone this repo. So in this repo we have explained how we can use open AI to create the agent, and this is the LLM brain. Okay, if you see here, so we have open AI used in previous video, and now in this video we are using Ollama to create local LLM, and we are using local LLM. Okay, so first clone this repo on your local system. Okay, now let's compare what we have changed in this demo. So if you see here, like this is the agent, we are keeping same. We are not changing anything. So it is the same actions: restart, scale deployment, do nothing, error escalate to human. Okay, and if you come to this brain, LLM brain, this is the main part. Okay, and here if you see here, we are using Ollama URL instead of OpenAI, and we are using this model Llama 3. Okay, and also we are not changing prompt. So if you come here, you can check we are using the same prompt that we are using for OpenAI. Observe is also same. Uh, we are using get spots. Okay, we are using checking the crashback loop. Okay, and the logs. We are also sending the same context here as well. Okay, and now we can run the agent. If before running the agent, if you want to set up Ollama on your local system, then you can follow the steps. If you have Mac OS, then you can install using brew install Ollama. If you have Linux system, then you can use this curl URL. And if you want to check you can check the version using Ollama hyphen version, and this way you can pull the model on your local. Now we are on terminal. We will run this Ollama serve, and now if you see it is started. Okay, and the server it is running or not using on this you can see Ollama is running. If you get this result, that means Ollama is running on your system. So let's start the demo. So Python agent.py. Okay, so now we're in the agent. Okay, you can see incident agent started. Pod strategic cashback loop. So it should restart. So it is taking the decision to restart the pod. If you see here, LSM take the decision and it is restarting the pod. And it is restarted now. And incident resolved successfully. Okay. And if you come to the terminal, you will be able to find our pod is restarted. So if you see, it is restarted 88 seconds ago. Demo. If you find this video useful, then please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.